everyone, my name is Ifra Shakil and I'm doing my bachelor's in radiology from Liaquat National Medical College. I got to know about this initiative Alkhidmat have started here at their Idara Noor al-Haq near Qaid-e-Azam Mazar, and I got to know it from social media from my friends, and I thought that to be a part of this thing would be a very great act, because yahan aake I have seen the female doing a lot of work with such enthusiasm and with such courage the guys are showing. So I felt like to be a part of this thing and to help those people who are affected by the flood in such areas in Sindh. So I feel like वहाँ के लोगों को हमारी ज़रूरत है, and if we guys cannot go there and be a part, वहाँ जाके कोई काम नहीं कर सकते, तो एटलीस्ट हम यहाँ पे छोटी छोटी हेल्प करके guys to come here and अपना थोड़ा सा टाइम दें. बेशक जितने भी आपके पास 1 घंटा 2 घंटा आप लगाएं. I want the students to be here, especially the teenage girls. This would be a sadqa jariya for you.